Good morning, all. Myself, Nimit Jain from Arya College of Engineering IT. In last lecture, we know what is the factor analysis. Now, we have today's lecture. We have studied what is the basic steps of doing factor analysis. So, first step is correlation matrix. Generate a correlation matrix for all variables. Identify variables not related to other variables. If the correlation between variables are small, it is likely they share common factors. Think a correlation matrix in absolute value. Correlation coefficient greater than 0.3 is absolute value are indicative or acceptable correlation. Examine visually the appropriateness of for factors method. Second step is factor extraction. The primary objective of this stage is to determine the factors. Initial decisions can be made here about the number of factors underlying a set of measured variables. Estimate the initial factors are obtained using principal component analysis. The principal and most common use extraction method. Other method is maximum likelihood method, principal axis factoring, alpha method, unweighted least square method, generalized least square, image factoring. A step of calculating factor analysis. Third, factor rotations. In this step, factors be rotated. Unrotated factors are typically not very interpretable. Factors are rotated to make them more meaningful and easier interpret. Different rotation method may likely identify some of the different factor. Fourth step, making the final decision. The final decision about the number of the factors, choosing the number of factors of the rotated solution of most interpretable. To identify factor group variable are they have large loading on the same factors. Plot of the loading provide the visual of variable clusters and interpret factors according to meaningful of the variables. This decision should be guided by prior concept, belief about the number of factors, past research or theory, eigenvalue computed in step number 2, and the relative interpret the rotate solution of computed in step 3. This is a factor analysis model given by Fi W I xi wi2 x2 wi3 x3 wixi x4, where Fi estimate of ith factor, Wi weight of factor score, and number of k is the number of variables. These are terms associated with factor analysis as a Bernard test of correlation matrix, eigenvalue. Factor loading is the correlation between the variables and the factor matrix. KMO measure is the sampling test, is very important. Scree plot is the eigenvalue against the number of factor of other extractions. Assumptions underlying factors include the major variable is linearly related to the factors. Errors, the data should be bivariate normal distribution of each pair of variables. The observation are independent. The factor model assume the variable are determined to common factor and unique factors. All unique factors assumed to be uncorrelated with each other and common factors. Then factor analysis variability, data reduction tool, remove redundancy duplications from the set of correlated variable, and factors are formed that relative independent of one another. How we interpret? Given one example, the authors may conclude we are variable to derive factors from 11 items. First factor teamwork and second factor defined personal competitive nature. Where did the result from come from? This is a forms where we use eigenvalues and eigenvectors. This is multi-factor models. Is loading estimates of our example, and this is our conducting factor analysis. So we complete today's chapter. Thank you.